Today, we're diving into the world of cybersecurity to answer one simple question. What is malware?
Did someone say malware? That's me! I sneak into your files, steal your data, and cause chaos. Nice to meet you!
Wait, what? This wasn't part of the script. Ah!
Malware, short for malicious software, is any program or code designed to harm, disrupt, or sneak into a computer, network, or device without permission. Think of it as a digital intruder, like a raccoon in your trash can. Except this raccoon steals your bank info and eats your homework. Want to know some of malware's greatest hits? Let's break it down. Virus. It hitchhikes on your files. Open one and boom, it spreads like wildfire. Worm. This worm didn't crawl through dirt. It crawled through the internet. Trojan horse. The ancient trick with a modern twist looks legit. Then let the bad guys in. Spyware. Think of it as your nosy neighbor, watching everything you do except sneakier. Ransomware. It locks your files and demands payment. Pay up or say goodbye to your data. Adware. Pop-ups galore, because who doesn't love surprise ads, right? So, what can malware do to your computer? Slow it down until you want to throw it out the window. Delete or mess up your files. Steal personal info, passwords, credit cards, Netflix logins. Lock your files for ransom. Turn your device into a spam slinging machine. Flood you with pop-ups and weird ads. Okay, but how do we get malware in the first place? Clicking shady email links, downloading stuff from sketchy sites, plugging in random USB drives. Pro tip, don't. Falling for fake pop-up updates. Visiting hacked websites. Downloading pirated games or apps. Grabbing apps from unofficial stores. Good news, we can fight back. Install and update antivirus software. Keep your system updated. Yes, even those annoying updates. Be suspicious of email attachments and links. Only download from trusted sites. Avoid clicking sketchy ads. Use strong passwords. And no, password 123 doesn't count. Back up your data regularly.
Phew, okay. As you just saw, malware is no joke. It sneaks in, disrupts your system, and makes you want to scream. But with the right protection, antivirus, updates, smart habits, you can stay safe. Stay alert, stay secure, and don't let malware crash your show. He's right behind me, isn't he?